Bobby, the very smart baby. I will teach you some action words. They are the things that I can do.
I can walk. I can walk. Walk with me. Walk. I can run. I can run. Run with me. Run. I can crawl. I can crawl. Crawl with me. Crawl. I can eat. I can eat. I can eat watermelon. Eat. I can drink. I can drink. I can drink milk. Drink. I can read. I can read. I can read a book. Read. I can cry. I can cry. I can cry and scoot. Cry. I can sit. I can steer. I can sit and steer my robot. Sit and steer. I can drive. I can drive. I can drive my Jeep. Drive. I can hug. I can hug. I can hug my teddy bear. Hug. Good night. It is time to go to sleep. I can sleep. 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 These are the action words that we learned today. Let's read across. Walk, drink, sit, run, read, steer, crawl, cry, hug, eat, drive, and sleep.